Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Today we are looking at a mortise lock, and this mortise lock doesn't look too good. As you can see, it has a problem with meth. Not meth as in using meth, as a meth head has been trying to open the door with a screwdriver. So anyway, this is our challenge today. We're going to clean this up and make it look better. We're in a dark hallway that's probably been pissed in every orifice. So I want to get in and want to get out. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be trying to save this door. I mean, look at that. That's messed right up. They've taken a lot of this chunk out. We're going to try and save the door. We're going to go with different handles, new blocker plate, and get this locking again. All right, let's get started. Even the post is broken. Is that stripped? Yep. Ah. Oh, sorry, one sec. Push forward. Let me get that out. There you go. Beautiful. One badly abused lock. Let's have a look at that. So they've pushed through, so far through they've broken through the casing. The lock itself is bent like a banana. It's going to go straight in the bin. And that was a leggy or a lockwood? I think a leggy. Yep. Leggy, yeah. Anyway, they got in. Okay, let's look at the door now. So we've got putty there. The wood's been broken here. This is peeled back. It's got fire retardant material in there, and it's not even square now. If you look at it this way, it's not even like square. It's like a bit of a banana in the middle section. All right, so let's see what we can do with it. Clean it up. You're not making any tunes with it? No. Okay, we've reached the halfway point. We've got our plate fitted, and as you can see, it's starting to look a little bit better, but the door still, still could be better. All right. These ones now, instead of using the wood, they're actually metal, and you're going into that plate. That's it. So just check X-cam, perfect. Okay, slide it in. Slide that down. Might be a little bit tight. Tight? Yeah, all the way. I always like to give it a good pull to make sure it's in. And she's in. Let's have a look. So we've deliberately left the spindle out on this side so that way if somebody was to force it, they're not actually connecting with the lock. It will spring return, but that doesn't matter. This handle's only used really for something to pull this way. So by leaving the spindle out just means less possibility of forcing anything onto the lock. This side will have the spindle, because that's the inside needs to work. No. So final look now of the lock that we just fitted, the scar plate, well, the lock, the door wrap, the handle, the full kit. Now this is a fire exit like I said before, so on this side here it always has to be one-handed exit to leave at all times. And it needs to automatically lock behind when somebody runs out, which it does. Okay, let's look from this side. Okay, so now the door was pretty damaged. I'll just put the light on it. The door was pretty damaged, but if you look at that in comparison to what we're looking at before, that looks a shitload nicer. This is what it looks like from this side. I mean, there is a few blemishes on the paint and things, which was kind of there already. And you look at it from this direction, that's locked, that's secure. One of the things we did different was we just removed the spindle, so that way, if somebody wants to force their handle, they're not going to be damaging the lock because it's not connected. And we put this stainless steel blocking plate on here as well. So this is, these are on our website. This is a BDS blocker plate. This kit right here is a Dormer Carver kit you can buy from our website. Comes with handles. This plate right here is a door wrap plate suited for a 3572. That's actually on our website as well. We'll probably put them together in a kit form for anyone who needs it. But if you look at what we're up against from the start of it and to what it actually looks like now, that's quite an impressive save of the door. I mean, it's not 100% pretty by all means because it needs a little bit of paint here, but that's nothing to do with us. But as far as what it was to now what it is, I think it's definitely back in service. Leave your comments down below what you think if you've used these products, and thanks for watching.